Hi everyone, and welcome back to CSK. Are you ready for a new go-to snack? We're taking everyone's favorite little Ritz Bits, and we're about to transform them into something absolutely irresistible. Get ready for these Italian garlic butter snackers. They're crunchy, savory, and seriously addicting. You're not going to be able to stop eating them. Are you ready? Well, grab your apron and let's get started. First thing we need to do is preheat our oven to 375 degrees. Get yourself a baking sheet and line it either with a silicone mat or parchment paper. That'll be ready to go, and we're going to set that aside. Now we need a large bowl. I have about 10 cups of Ritz Bits. Now these are just the little bitty small Ritz, and I have the plain ones. You could also use this with the cheddar filled ones that are the little sandwich. Now I'm going to add 3/4 of a cup of melted butter, a cup and a half of shredded parmesan. I'm using a small shred. You could also use the grated kind in the green container. This happened to be what I have, and it works just fine. Then I have 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning, and 1 teaspoon of onion powder. And now we just want to mix all of this up and get all of the crackers coated with butter. Once you think everything's been coated fairly well, then we're going to spread it out on our baking sheet. Now I'm going to have to do 2 batches just because of the size of my baking sheet. And because I'm using shredded parmesan, it's going to have a little more texture than when you're using the grated parmesan. It doesn't have to be in a single layer because we're going to stir it halfway through. Now I'm going to put it in the oven for 10 to 11 minutes, and about halfway through I'll come in with a spatula, give it a good stir, and finish it off. Okay, here's our second batch, fresh out of the oven, crisp and toasty, and I'm going to just add it to our other ones in our serving bowl. Now you could mix up the savory type spices any way you want. You could add some ranch dressing mix to it. That'd make it a little bit different. Or even go Greek if you wanted to, or Mexican with some taco seasoning. Just let your imagination be your guide. And there you go. Ready for everybody to grab a handful and enjoy. If you want to store them for a later time, you can put them in an airtight container, either a Ziploc bag or jar or bowl. Just be sure to let them cool first so that they don't get soggy. I hope you loved this super simple and delicious snack idea. If you're looking for another quick recipe, just let me know in the comments below. As always, the recipe is just below the like button, as well as a link so that you can print it out. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on one of our latest videos. Thanks for watching, and until next week, have fun in the kitchen.